Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making some cheeseburgers and fries. So I'm using ground beef. So I started off by seasoning the meat, and then I added some onions. Now I'm just mixing everything up. Okay, so I'm grabbing some meat so I can start making the burgers. Okay, so once I was done, I just went ahead and put them in a pan so they could start cooking. Okay, so I let them cook for a while, so now I'm just flipping them over. So while these was cooking, I went ahead and cut up some potatoes to make some fries. Okay, now that everything is done, I'm just making my plate. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button.